Fairness is making sure that everyone is treated equally.
We could say, hey, it's February! And you guys could say,
hey, it's cold out here and it's February!
It's funny,
you know that?
That's exactly what the other script said.
all the rest of
It's February, I'm still mopping.
And you know what the good news about that is, though?
What's
because
that?
of fairness.
No way.
Yeah, it means it'll be warm later.
Is that right? That
That's
would
what I
be
mean.
fair.
Cold
Yes.
now, warm later, fairness. Making sure everyone is treated equally.
I thought, yeah.
That's what it is. It's equal opportunity weather.
I like
the weather
that.
is fair.
And see, you know what else?
What else?
Y'all are cold, I'm warm, fairness.
Not really. What is going on? How is that fair?
I don't know how that
Fairness
works.
Because
is
the rest of
treating
the time,
everyone equally. And
We're
they're
cold and
equal.
he's warm. That's why it's fair.
That's
fair because
crazy.
Fair is fair.
No, it's
Fair.
fairness
Life
is
is not
treating
fair.
everyone equally.
I think
And if
McNair-
you're warm and I'm cold, that's not fair because it's not equal.
Making sure what?
Making sure that everyone's treated
Yeah.
equally. Because I think McNair the Fair is coming to Conyers.
McNair the Fair.
McNair.
McNair the
Fair.
Fair, weathered friend of ours.
Yes, the fair
Finally,
weather friend.
February.
Yes.
Follies galore. Fairness.
It's a doctrine.
Fairness February.
It's where public radio has to get equal opportunity.
Yeah.
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 The fairness doctrine?
Yes.
It's not fair.
Not
It's
fair.
not fair.
No, it's not
no.
fair.
No, it's not fair. It's
That's a contradiction.
Yeah.
a capital gain.
Guys are all